Hi everyone, I am going to be taking on topic on Java, which is the variable. So you all guys know that we are going to be using variable and declaration as well as the initialization process. So in that I am going to be telling about that what are the types of variable and how we are going to be use that in code. So first of all we will be going through that what are the types of variable. So the types of variable are three types of variable, which are all static variable, local variable, and finally instance variable. So in coding format, if you are gonna be need to go through that one, means I am gonna be giving you an example as an code. So I am gonna be creating one class A. So in that, in this you are gonna be creating one method as a variable. Means first of all you are gonna be creating one variable int a equal to 10. So in that you are going to be using static keyword. So if you are going to be using a static keyword, means that's come under static variable. Once it's been in the class, inside the class only it's a static variable. So if you are going to be creating one method, for example, so void run. So I have been creating one method. In this method I am going to be creating one variable, means that it will be come under local variable. And what is the use of local variable is that you can access the local variable only inside the method only, as well as in the class, which is in, if you are going to be declared a class, and in that class you can be accessed only in the method only, that is in method body. So you can't access outside the method. So if you are going to be go for the instance variable, means that you need to go for the in static void main process. So in that if you declare any variable, for example, so if you are going to be declaring as int c equal to 100, so if you are going to be added this one, means this is come under instance variable. So these are the three variables which are come under types. And in this class, if you are not using a static keyword, means that will be variable will come under global variable. So most probably everyone knows only the two types of variable, that is global and local. So most of the things, most of the members don't know that where is the instance variable you are going to be creating, and what is the use of global variable and what is the use of local variable. So most probably global variable, if you have been declaring, means you can access everywhere and one time only declaration. So if you are declared one time only, you can access it anywhere in the class itself. But in local variable, you can access only in the method. So these are about method and also in variable.